to our channel water decoration fan using BC547 transistor. This is what BC547 transistor of 3 terminals. First is collector, second is base, third is emitter as shown in this circuit diagram. Next we taken here 9 volt battery. Okay, this is what 9 volt DC battery. Okay, in this is positive and this is what negative, and this is battery cap. DC motor, okay, use it for LED rotation. In this we used DC fan to connect to LEDs on this. Okay, how the rotation will happen we can see in the video. Next we taken water for water decoration fan. Okay, and this is what 3 volt cell for these two LED glow, or two LED glows on this 3 volt cell. Okay, let's start the connection. Take BC547 transistor. For this we taken 9 volt battery and connect cap to this 9 volt battery, and its negative, okay, this is a black wire is negative. We connect for emitter with the help of soldering gun. You can see here. Next take DC motor. Okay, its positive is connected to BC547 connector. Next, okay, fan negative goes to battery positive. Next we connect one link wire from positive of the battery, and next we connect one black wire from base of the BC547 transistor as shown in this circuit diagram. Now the connection is over. Okay, connect fan to this DC motor. Take one double-sided tape, gum tape, for this 3 volt cell, and for this 3 volt cell we connect LEDs. Okay, in this LED long length leg is positive and short is negative. We connect negative to the negative portion and positive to the positive. Here LED is glowing. Again connect negative to the negative and positive to the positive. And here both the LEDs are glowing. And now connect this arrangement to this water bottle with the help of double-sided gum tape, and connect. So our motor is fitted with the help of double-sided gum tape to the water bottle. Gum tape, double-sided gum tape, and next take this wire. Okay, dip in water bottle, add water. How the water decoration fan is working. This is what amazing decoration fan for your home decoration. You can use this for your any festivals to see the amazing decoration.